ratio is a comparison in numbers. An example is 6 boys and 3 girls. So it'd be 6:3. If you wrote it reversed, that would be wrong because boys comes first, girls comes second. Not specifically that way, but that's how it's written. Now, if you wanted to say how many girls there are to boys, there's 1 girl for every 2 boys. And that's another version of the ratio in use. Now, some of you might be asking why 2:3 as a ratio is similar to this. Well, all you're doing is saying, well, for every 2 carrots, there's 3 onions available. And if it's 4:6, what you're saying is there are 4 carrots and 6 onions. But if you separate it, for every 2 carrots, there's 3 onions. That's why this ratio is accurate. Here is another example of a ratio. Blue Jays scored 3 runs and Cleveland Guardians scored 9. So, since the Blue Jays were on top and Cleveland Guardians came second, it's 3:9 and there's 1:3. 1:3 is because they're grouping it. For every 1 run the Blue Jays scored, the Guardians scored 3. So they're just trying to explain that for every run the Blue Jays scored, the Guardians managed to score 3 runs. And when you say that, the box score, when the host commentators are going to say the Cleveland Guardians won the game 9-3. Well, that's because the team that won scored 9 runs and Blue Jays scored only 3. So they have to say 9-3. So, as a ratio, 6:3 is actually read as 6-3, and 2:4 is actually read as 2-4.